guys, I told you I have only two brothers, Rimanson and Ransley. Ransley got married, single is Rimanson now. Hello, girl. Hello. Hello. Hi, YouTube family. We are ready. We are ready to go now to London. I'll show you what we have with us. You might have been thinking that we are going abroad, but no, this is just to go to London. There's see bags here. Some few gifts. Here, see few more bags. Yeah, these bags all are for kids stuff. Buying a John and kitty kitty honey. It's not easy to go like that. People will laugh like when we come out. Arey, don't decide. So yeah, this is what our life is like. Take everything when we go and come with everything when we come. It's only for 2 days. Like okay, so Ransley's engagement is happening, and this is the big thing for us. Like in the family after a long time, Ransley is getting engaged to Rachel. So we are very excited. I've just come from work, finished my night shift. Now I wanted to go early, but did not get enough of a good chance. So now we are going. Oh, see you there. Yeah, it's full now. You see? My whole boot is full. See how much of stuff I've got in here. Oh my God. Let me see if I can close this on top. The lid. Okay. I'll leave it like that only open.
Yeah.
Yeah, managed to close this. Okay, so guys, let's begin the journey now. Let's go to London. Hope it doesn't rain today. I feel really bad. I wanted to be for Ransley over there for his civil. But he had told me, Papa, if you can come early when we go for signing and all. But I came from night. I could not get a last moment off for myself also. I tried to get it, but could not. Otherwise, I would have wanted to. I hope I can get some help for him because the event is in the hall and we have to do all this taking over drinks and all. So hope I can be able some help for him. Let's see what happens now. We're almost about to reach to London now. It's about 20 minutes. Before when we were coming, it was nice sunny. Now you see this cloud is it's like a blanket, a whole dark blanket of cloud over here. Looks like it's going to rain heavy. Doesn't matter if it rains now, but in the evening, God, don't please make it rain at that time.
Angel.
Yes.
I see Mama and that's Keisha sleeping. Mama is going to a friend's place. Angel is eating Pringles.
Kisha both jam malli pan.
Mama Borikun enjoys her.
Bye.
Angel, you miss Nana?
Yes.
Ellie. चल Borikun किती गे? तुम Borikun करो ना.
So, we are here today to celebrate the marriage of Ransley and Rachelle. I'm sure it means a great deal to them that we can be here to celebrate as they publicly declare their commitment to each other. They are starting a new chapter of their lives together today, and we're all witnesses to this. A wedding is a futuristic moment in time, and marriage, however, is a lifelong journey. It means sharing in all of the good things that are coming your way, but also being there for each other through the harder times. It requires a commitment to grow and change together and promises comfort and companionship throughout the years. So, are you, Ransley, free lawfully to marry Rachelle? Yes. Are you, Rachelle, free lawfully to marry Ransley?
Yes.
I, Ransley, take you, Rachelle, to be my wedded wife. I, Rachelle, take you, Ransley, to be my wedded husband. Rachelle, I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage. I will be loving and loyal and faithful to you.
Ransley,
I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage. I will be loving and loyal and faithful to you. I promise to care for you, to respect you, and to cherish you for the rest of our lives together. Ransley and Rachelle, you have both made a declaration to stand in law. You have made a solid and binding contract with each other in the presence of the registrars and your family and friends. It is therefore my great pleasure to declare you legally husband and wife.
Now it's time to say it, not holding back the words. A huge congrats echoes here, enjoy, you conquered the world. Congratulations, you are fantastic, no doubt, no question. Congratulations, you got this, no doubt, no question.
Ransley and Rachel! So Ransley and Rachel, finally. Ransley, you've been, how long have you been waiting? You should say from your childhood. This is what you should learn after marriage. But nevertheless, without, the minute I was born, I was waiting for Rachel. You should say that from now onwards. Okay? Don't lie. Well, we have all of Ransley's friends at the entrance to block all the X's. So now, without wasting much time, let's cut this lovely cake. And ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? People at the back, are you guys ready? So let's cut this beautiful cake on 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Congratulations and celebration. We want the world to know how happy it's got me. Congratulations and jubilation. We want the world to know how happy it's got me. We want the world to know how happy it can be. So now, in the meantime, I'd like to invite Cashley and Benroy. So, ready, Benroy? Cashley, don't aim at anyone. Where's the twin? Okay, twin is here. We'd like to invite Maria Dias, who's an aunt of Rachel, all the way from Swindon. Where is she? To raise the lovely toast. Glasses.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, friends, near and dear ones. Heartiest congratulations to my lovely niece, Rachel, and our new member to our family, Ransley. The theme and the concept of today's celebration is red. Red signifies love. In Corinthians 13, if I'm not mistaken, 7, it is all about love. Love never fails. And I'm sure you all agree, those who are married here, agree, and those in love, agree that love never fails.
Maria Dias.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming today. My name is Caitlin Angel, but everyone calls me Angel. I'm so happy to be here to celebrate Ransley, Tutu and Rachel's engagement. I want to tell Rachel and everyone about Ransley Tutu. Ransley Tutu is a very good loving person. I call him the patron, and he's when I'm recalling the same. He always makes me laugh, he always has a big smile, and we make a great team. I'm so excited for their wedding, and for Rachel to be part of our family. I know they'll be very happy together because they love each other very much. Congratulations, Ransley, Tutu and Rachel. And Rachel, welcome to our family. I love you both. Thank you.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, you can do better than that. Please give a round of applause to Rachel.
congratulations, Ransley and Rachel. I wish you a long and happy marriage, and just remember to just love each other through everything. It's you two against the world. Yeah.
First of all, I would like to wish Ransley and Rachel very hearty congratulations, and may God bless your married life.
Wishing them a very happy married life. Congratulations for Ransley and Rachel on the engagement day, and God bless you. I love you forever. Watch your channel every day.
Oh, do you? It's going to come on that only. For that, I'm accepting it.
I came to know. Congratulations, Rachel. I love you both and wish you both happy married life. Mwah.
Ransley, welcome to the family.
Best friend, my cousin. Love you, Rachel. Love you, Ransley. Wish you best of luck.
Wish them a happy married life.
Congratulations, Ransley. We enjoyed the party over here. Me, my wife, my daughter, and my family. All the best and cheers.
See you for the wedding.
All the best. And see you for the wedding in 2025.
It was the amazing. Cut. It was an amazing party, and I really enjoyed it. And I'm gonna give good wishes and good blessing for Rachel and Ansley. Sorry, Ransley. Sorry.
I have only two brothers. So, guys, I told you I have only two brothers. Rimanson and Ransley. Ransley got married. Single is Rimanson now. Rimanson, what message you have for Ransley?
Stay blessed, stay together, stay happy. That's all I want to say.
Congratulations, Ransley Mama and Rachel. I hope you have a nice day.
Ransley की song होता है. Ransley.
God bless you, my son, and my daughter.
Ransley, congratulations on you, Rachel, and a big day. We are looking forward to the big day. Hooray!
So, guys, we got some top caterers for Ransley's reception over here. That's Ransley and Rachel. They're from Margam. You can book, and in London, that's the contact number. Serafin, do you have something to say for Ransley and Rachel?
Guys, stay blessed, stay together, understand each other, and we'll see you at the weddings.
So, Ransley, congratulations on your civil wedding, and God bless you and Rachel for your lovely day.
Hello, Ransley and Rachel. This is Elaine and Neumann, and we both wish you happy married life. May God bless you all and enjoy your lives together.
Hello, K2 and family. This is Ransley Rodriguez, and this is my wife.
Rachel Cardozo.
And thank you for Cassidy to come all the way from Swindon, yeah,
And thank you for Nadia and Angel for the most sweetest toast that she ever given. And thank you for Keisha. I love you, baby. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
And thank you for all the people who came for my civil ceremony. A special thank you for everyone. And a big shout out to anyone who came all the way from Swindon, all the ones who made time out of the busy schedule. I love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
So, hello, friends, and welcome back again to K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well. Well, we are at the end of the session of this vlog. It was a beautiful vlog that we've done. Such a nice. We could not complete the whole moments because we were trying to enjoy the whole, like every moment of that. Because there was like bits of things like, okay, in the wedding time that you do, like, going, Are Papa dress
I did not even take a single picture of myself.
Actually, we told you all before, that Nadia has got a surprise when we had done the shopping vlog and she had bought a dress. So literally we were about to show you, like, okay, we wanted to make, okay, this is the dress, how it is, like, make a small video about it. We didn't even forget about it. But if you see in that video, the dress what Nadia is wearing, that's the dress which we are speaking about in the previous vlog.
Yeah, it's a simple dress though, but yeah.
Simple, very nice. Yeah, it is very simple. I like it. It's very elite, beautiful, very nice. I liked it. Honestly, I like the way how she carries her. Yes, this was very nice. The wedding went, like the civil marriage was very nice. Lot of family members came together. We have Rachel as our new family member, which is my cousin's wife, Ransley's. So Rachel, welcome to the family.
God bless you all and
Yeah.
stay together always. Keep trusting each other and keep that faith in the relation.
Yeah, that is very important. Always support each other. If one person goes high on the anger, the other one has to understand. Both of you all don't have to be on the same page. And there is an ego sometimes that interferes a lot. But what happens is, as time goes, we understand what is our trigger points and we don't go to that level. So if we want to make it work, like, okay, once the time is passed, then we say, how many times I come and say sorry? I shout, like, and I get upset with Nadia for something, and then she understands, like, I got upset. But then she be quiet. Then I realize, okay, I've not done right. Then I go and say sorry to her. I really say sorry because, and I really mean, and I can't stay talking without Nadia for more than one day, by the way. Yeah, we don't last. God bless us, like this only. This is, yes, yeah, guys. But we could not be able to capture most of the things because of this. We had a lot of moments.
And even Keisha was sleeping.
Keisha went sleeping whole time, isn't
That's why
it?
you all can't see her much in the
You do
vlog.
not be. Otherwise, Keisha will be dancing here and there.
Yeah.
She was sleeping most of the time. She would like we traveled, and she had we were tired a little bit. But we had a good time. We enjoyed the party. It is very blessings for us. Now Ransley's wedding is actual wedding in the church will be next year in December 2025. So that is a big day and we are already in the race to make it happen because bits and pieces, everything drop by drop, we are trying to get things together. So this is how it's going to be. And Ransley, if you're watching, behalf of us, your brother, your Bobby, Nadia, me, Kashti Baba, we send our blessings to you. So guys, the video is quite a little bit lengthy at this time, but today we are going to give a shout out very quick. And the first one will go to...
The first shout out is Louisa's Kitchen.
Oh yes, Louisa's Kitchen. She is one of she makes recipes. Louisa's Kitchen, thank you so much. I know you cook beautiful food. I've been on your channel. I watched you because sometimes when they, Louisa's Kitchen or some other YouTubers, they send a message. I try to go and see what they do. You do it really nice. Thank you for writing. You write for me on the recipes that I do. You write on the vlogs that we do.
Yeah, that means a lot.
That means a lot because you show us your love and you appreciate for what we do as well. But thank you and God bless you and may you grow in many, many views and subscribers for yourself.
The second shout out is Ophelia Dias.
Okay. Ophelia Dias, she says she loves watching us and she has asked for that face pack that you did for me.
Oh, yeah.
Black to white color. So, Ophelia Dias, yes. when I will do pampering for Nadia, I will come with that because she's going to give me that and she's also going to do. I also have to show myself like that I also pamper you, isn't it? So yes, we will come with that. And Ophelia, thank you so much. God bless you.
Third shout out is Ekta Naik.
Ekta Naik. Yes, Ekta Naik, she has written very beautifully on few of the comments for us. Randomly, I went through, these comments when they come, we go to see what they write. She has sent us a lot of blessings and love. A beautiful message she has put through. Ekta, thank you. And God bless you and your family for this.
The fourth shout out is Velini Rodriguez from Bracknell, UK.
Velini Rodriguez. Isn't it she,
She's my
friend? Yeah, Velini, yes. She sent us that recipe of butter
Yes,
chicken that we
butter
done, is it? Velini, thank you so much. God bless you. You tried our butter chicken and you said you liked it. You liked one of another recipe that you said, Adamas, that you made. Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
Richard Masala.
And Rishad masala that we did. You said that's very hit in your house. You always follow that. Now another addition, butter chicken that you like. Thank you so much for trying our recipes, liking our vlogs that we do. And God bless you and your family.
And the fifth shout out is Irene Marie Lobo.
It's from
She's from Navi Mumbai, India.
Irene Mary. Yes, Irene Mary, she has written a beautiful, nice, long message for us. Irene, I've gone through your message. Very touching, very nice, beautiful. All I can say is God bless for your loved one who are here and not there. And no matter where we are, the love is always going to remain. And the way you have appreciated us, it touched our heart. Thank you. You find our simplicity, the way we carry ourselves. But you appreciated it so much and you send your blessing to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So guys, we have come at the end of this session of this vlog. Hope you have enjoyed and loved this vlog. This vlog was much about the wedding, the reception, what happened. I know that you all will send the blessings to my brother and my sister-in-law. But thank you in advance for that. And for now, we will end this vlog now over here. Yeah. So guys, stay safe. God bless you all. And our final words to say, adios.